Hi there and welcome back to MAAHI'S Language Nest. Today's video is all about 5 vocabulary words. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start with the word elucidate. If you elucidate something, it means you explain it very clearly.
For example, after I'm dead, my diaries will elucidate my life for those left behind by my passing. Another example you can take, even if you can't read, the pictures under the words will elucidate the comic's message.
Now come to the next word, that is Elysium. Elysium means a state of great happiness. It means you are in a state of extreme happiness.
For example, everything was perfect. She was in Elysium. Like everything was perfect, she was in a state of great happiness. Another example you can take, if you want to see your daughter again, you must become worthy of Elysium.
Next we have inalienable, which means unable to be removed. See, something is yours forever, that cannot be taken away from you. That is something called inalienable, right? The term refers to the natural right that cannot be revoked by an outside force. The inalienable term is often linked to the human rights. You have probably heard about the word inalienable rights.
For example, justice to all, irrespective of race, sect, or class, is the inalienable right and inescapable obligation of all.
The next word is gullible. If you describe someone as gullible, you mean they are easily tricked because they are too trusting. If you are gullible, the joke is on you because you are easily fooled.
For example, even the gullible audience was not impressed by the amateur magician's tricks.
Now, the final word is enigmatic. An enigmatic person is someone who is a bit mysterious to others and difficult to understand. Alright?
For example, when I was growing up, I viewed my father as an enigmatic man who rarely spent time with me.